Hey, so here's how you can comment GIFs on Instagram after 2026 update. So for that, first you have to open up your Instagram app and make sure your Instagram is up to date. Now from your Instagram, open the post where you just wanna leave a comment. And under the comment box, you will see a GIF icon in the bottom right corner. So just tap on it and here you will find a collection of GIFs you can use in the comment. And here you can also use the search bar to find any GIF you like, and once you find the one that looks best, just tap on it and it will be sent instantly. But if you don't see any GIF option in the comment section, it means the post owner has turned off GIF comment for that post. And that's it, your GIF comment is posted perfectly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.